Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to allow untrusted shortcuts on your iPhone. This will allow you to add shortcuts from sources outside the gallery like from friends and more. So let's open up your settings on your iPhone, scroll down and find shortcut, tap on it and then find Allow Untrusted Shortcuts. As you can see, I've already enabled the settings in my iPhone, but for those of you who have not, you'll see it as disabled. Just slide the toggle to the right to enable this. Then tap on Allow. Then it'll ask you for your passcode. Enter it and this will enable the settings. And there you go guys, that is how to allow untrusted shortcuts on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.